I'm so sad. All this work I did going to waste. Hey! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for coming back and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. I don't know why I just clapped, but subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification on so you know whenever I upload. Today I am doing my most requested video on my channel, which is my skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for all the nice comments and all the compliments, okay, talking about my skin, talking about how good it looks. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my tips and tricks. You know, I'm not a skin expert or anything like that, okay? I didn't go to school for that. A little background about my skin: I have combination dry skin, so like around my nose right here, my nostril area, I do sweat. There are a lot, like my right here creases a lot right here. This is my problem areas. And around my face it's like dry, but it depends on the season or the weather. When it's winter, I have extremely dry skin all over my body, like really flaky dry skin. But around summer, right now it's summer in Maryland, it's about like 80, 90s right now. Like, I don't know why it's so hot. It's August, it's supposed to be getting cold. Whatever, global warming, I guess. I break out too a lot and my skin like goes cuckoo. When I was on birth control, I did not break out at all. My skin was perfect because it was controlling my hormones. I don't know about you guys, but birth control actually made my skin more clear. But ever since I got out of birth control, my skin has just been going cuckoo. My hormones are just like, girl, what's up? What's going on? I'm so sad. I'm about to like take off this makeup. Like, I literally took 2 hours to put on this makeup, and for me to take it out right now is so annoying. But I can't go to bed looking like this. My skin will literally act up if I do that. So let's take off this makeup. I actually like this look. Oh, this is definitely a look. This is definitely a look. I'm gonna do this look next time I film a video. Oh, first what I do is I take off my makeup, and lately I have been loving the new Patrick Star One Size Makeup Removing Collection, or Remover Collection. It comes with the makeup dissolving mist right here, and it also comes with the wipe right here. Let me take off my lashes. I am so sad right now, like all this work. Look at this mink lashes, guys. I love them. This is in the style WAP. It will be available on LumiSpice.com as well, September 1st. I'm never gonna take off my lip gloss. I'm just gonna like, so what you do, you just take this mist right here and spray it all over your face. I'm so sad. All this work I did going to waste. So you take the wipe like so, one wipe, and you just remove your makeup. This combination right here, I think the best thing made like in 2020, like the best thing ever. Right here, makeup is gone, okay? Every time you do a step, make sure you wash your hands. When you don't do that, you leave like germs in your hands, and when you touch your face again, it will cause you to break out. So make sure, like I have really sensitive skin, so I always wash my hand after every step. The next step, we're gonna cleanse, and I have been loving this cleanser right here. This is the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. It is a 2-in-1 cleanser. It's also a makeup remover and also a cleanser at the same time, but I really don't feel like it take everything out. Like I don't trust it yet, okay? I gotta use it for a while for me to like trust it, but so far I've been loving this. I also did a video and a review on this cleanser right here, so make sure you check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. So I use like about this size, yeah, like this size right here, like so, and then I just massage it on my face. So I'm like a British. Don't forget your neck, okay, because makeup always lingered there. I'm gonna apply a little bit of water so like it could foam, so that I could actually like clean my face. So I like when it gets like this. It's just easier for me to like clean, to make sure I don't have anything on my face. I do this for like 2 minutes and then I rinse it off. I'm just gonna tap down my face. Like, make sure you're not like make sure you just like tap. Just tap it down a little bit, because we're not done yet, okay? This video is gonna be a little long, and that's okay. So next we're gonna exfoliate. So these are my favorite exfoliators. If you suffer with acne, I definitely 100% recommend this right here. This is the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. It is the pink grapefruit version, and it is the foaming scrub. I've been using this since high school. Okay, it's been a long time, and I love it. Like, I've been using this for like 10 years now, like a decade. And then recently I've been using this coffee scrub. There's so many benefits that coffee do to your skin. It's so amazing. It gets rid of like dead skins, like it get rid of like so many like bad, you know, like acne, like all like pores and all the like dirt on your skin. Coffee scrub is amazing. Like, read about it if you guys want to like learn more about it, but it's amazing. I've been mixing both of them together, and my skin, can you guys see my skin? If you have like really high pigmentation on your skin, coffee scrub is gonna like get rid of that as well. So as you can see, like most part of my skin are like even. Before, I used to have like really dark and extreme like under eyes. Like, it was crazy. Like, it's genetics, my dad's family. Thank you so much for this craziness. But it used to be really bad, but now it's like, you know, it's like even, but it's getting better ever since I started using that coffee scrub. So if you suffer with high pigmentation on your face or everywhere else in the body, that coffee scrub, I also use it on my legs, like everywhere in my body, like not just my face. Like, it just exfoliates your skin. The best thing ever. Even if you have dry, oily combination skin, I highly recommend a coffee scrub into your shower routine. Like, you have to get it, girl. Like, and it's so cheap on Amazon. But I mix this Neutrogena scrub right here like this. I just use like a pea size, you know, of this product, and then I take some of the coffee scrub. So this is what it looks like so. It's amazing. I just scoop like 2 fingers in there, and that's what I use every time. And I just mix them together like so. It's like having a spa in my house. I love it. So I just apply it on my skin like so. I scrub it on my face for about like 1 minute. I don't do like too much because I don't want to like rip out my skin, because I have really sensitive skin as well. So, you know, I just like do it for like a minute, and then I rinse it out. So again, I go and tap my face like so. Y'all see like how bright my skin got just by doing that. By the way, I use the coffee scrub twice a week to exfoliate. That's the normal, you know, average amount of time you can use it, because if you use it too much, like, it's just gonna like, you shouldn't exfoliate more than twice a week, like, no. But the acne wash, I actually use this every single day because I do not want acne. Acne is not my friend. I have things to do in my life, okay? When I break out, I get in a bad mood. Like, I'm just like a different person. I don't feel pretty. I don't feel like, you know what I'm saying, like, I don't feel normal. So I make sure I use this every day to like prevent it. This is like a prevention. Again, they say prevention before cure. Another product I've been really loving is from Fenty Skin as well. It is the Fat Water. This is a toner. I love it. Like, if you have pores, like I used to have like pores right here, and when I wear makeup, like, it will show like a lot on my camera. And I've been using this for the past 2 weeks, and I've noticed like a significant difference in my skin. I love this. This is like I'll forever buy this product. It literally reduces the appearance of my pores. It also reduces the look of dark spots, like give you like an even skin tone and fight shine without like stripping your skin. So if you like have like really oily skin and like it's just like too much, use this before you apply your makeup. Guys, my makeup, it looks amazing lately. Like lately, my makeup just like go on smoothly, and you don't even need to like use a cotton pad to like do it because it's like so thick. But I love the packaging as well. You just turn it. So I just use like maybe like 5 drops of this for my whole face. I rub it on my hands like this, and then I tap my face. This is exactly what Rihanna does. She do this, like she just tap her hands like this. While that is drying up, make sure you wash your hands again. So the last step, I know you guys are probably expecting something cuckoo crazy, something extravagant, but it's so simple. Because I have really sensitive skin and I'm about to actually go to bed, I don't use really harsh like moisturizers at all. During the day, I do apply this Fenty Skin moisturizer, but it does have SPF in it. One of you guys commented and actually said I should not use this at night because SPF is not good for night. So I was like, okay, maybe I should stop doing that. But it's a really good moisturizer to use during the day. Like, I really love this. Like, I always like apply this when I'm like working out. It's really great like when I'm outside. But what I've been using for the past couple years, it has worked for me. I'm not going to change it. They say what is not meant to be fixed, don't touch it, whatever that quote is. I've been using baby oil. Yes, baby oil. I know you're probably like, what? Baby oil is the best bet for you. Even to take off your makeup, I recommend baby wipes as well. But Patrick Star, this product is bomb. But baby oil is like the most like calm and like nice thing to put on your face. It doesn't have much ingredients. It's just like easy. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not gonna like, if you have sensitive skin, it's not gonna like irritate your skin. So I really love it. Baby oil literally have 4 ingredients in it. 4 ingredients. So you don't like, it's not too much. Like, it's not gonna like irritate your skin. This amount, that's it. Rub my hands like that, and then I just apply it on my skin like so. If you also have Vaseline, I definitely recommend that as well. I've heard really amazing things about it, but I haven't tried it yet. But people have been saying Vaseline help them like clear their pores and like get rid of acne, all these type of things, all these claims. But I don't know about that. I've been using baby oil since I was a baby, for real. So I love baby oil. Another thing I wanted to share with you guys as well, if you suffer with like dark spots on your face, like acne scars, or like you're going through like, you know, your skin is just tripping, bio oil. I know you probably like, bio oil? I thought it was for stretch marks. Bio oil is a formula to like get rid of like scars. So it's not just for stretch marks. So a lot of people just think like, oh, it's just for stretch marks, but no. It also gets rid of scars. It actually says it in the bottle. So it helps improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. So if you have scars, say like you had an acne and like the scar is not coming off, bio oil. Every time I break out and I don't wait till like the right time to like pop my pimple, I'm always left like with a really like crazy scar. I always use bio oil to get rid of the scar. It has worked for me all these years, and I'll definitely recommend it for you guys. Try it, okay? Not just for stretch marks, okay? If you have scars that need to come out, bio oil is the babe. So yeah, that concludes my skincare routine. You guys have asked me about this forever. Look at my skin. Ooh, everything I mentioned in this video, you need to get it, okay? Like, it's not, don't compromise on your skin. Your skin have to look the best. I really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching the whole video. You're the real MVP. Thank you for supporting my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and also turn on your post notification on so you know whenever I upload 3 times a week. So you don't want to miss on the content, okay? You don't want to miss on this content. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine. You fine.